How long were you and Miss Westrom involved in a dating relationship?
I'd say about 3 years on and off.
Did you ever live together?
Yes, at one point. We did at 2 occasions.
The last time that you were involved with each other, were you living together?
Yes.
And where was that?
That was at her mom's house.
Were you working?
Off and on.
Were you paying her mother any rent?
I was. Between me and Rebecca.
How much were you paying?
I'd pay $200.
A month?
Yes.
And was Rebecca paying rent?
Yes.
Did you pay rent every month?
I tried to, yes.
Try to is not an answer.
I did as best as I could, and if I couldn't make it, I talked to Rebecca and seen if she...
So the answer is you didn't pay her every month?
Correct.
That's easy. Rebecca had an old car that you drove around in. Her mom got her another car, and according to the complaint that you filed, when the two of you broke up, you left her mother's house. From reading between the lines in this complaint, I gathered that there was some heated discussion about you taking the car with you.
Correct.
I want you to tell me about that.
I had left the situation because I had found out that she was cheating on me.
And?
And I had asked her to sign the title because she had told me that she was going to give it to me anyway. I just didn't.
So when she told you she was going to give it to you, was that before you separated in April?
Yes.
So when you were together, she said, I'll give you the car.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you ever take any action on that, like transferring it to your name, getting the title, getting insurance, anything else?
I could not do it due to COVID. I just had, in our town, we just had an outside window open. So therefore, after the breakup, I could not get the title into my name.
Did you get insurance on the car?
To be honest, I thought there was insurance still on the vehicle.
Well, then it wasn't your insurance. So what did you do? You just drove it. You're leaving the house. You wanted to take the car. If she gave you the car, there wouldn't have been an issue, but it is my understanding that the police were called.
Yes, Your Honor.
Well, so if the police were called, someone wasn't happy. Who called the police?
I did, Your Honor.
And when you called the police, what was your complaint?
That I needed help, assistance.
For what?
My stuff out of the house.
So did you get the stuff?
Yes.
And what happened with the car when the police were there?
Well, I had the signed title and they...
No. When had she signed the title?
That same day.
When the police were there?
Before the police ever arrived.
Explain it to me.
I had grabbed it out of the drawer.
So you grabbed the title out of the drawer and?
I asked her to politely sign it. She signed it.
No, how did you ask her polite? You grabbed it out of the drawer and said,
Can you please sign this? I'm leaving. I'm done.
That is not what...
Shh, just a second. So what you said to her is, would you please sign it, this, I'm leaving, I'm done.
Yes.
And she got a pen and signed it.
Yes, Your Honor.
He's leaving. Tell me how the title got signed over to him.
So I was sleeping for work the day that he wanted to leave. Him saying that I cheated on him was not accurate whatsoever. He went through my phone and I was texting my friends, and me and my friends, we always joke around texting each other the way we did.
You don't have to explain yourself to me.
And he got really angry with me while I was sleeping. So he ripped my blanket off of me, flipped me over, and was yelling at me saying, sign the title, sign the title. And then he smacked the pillow when I told him I was not going to sign the title. So I signed the title just because I didn't want anything bad to happen to me.
And then what happened?
So then I'm screaming at him, he's screaming at me, and then he goes outside and calls the cops because he said that he was threatened for his life when it was just me in the house.
Anybody have a police report for April 8th?
No.
No. Okay. Now you have the car on April 8th, and you have a title, and you're driving around in the car that you believe is yours.
Yes, sir.
When did you finally get stopped at this park that you got stopped in, according to you?
That would be...
What month?
It would have been last month, July.
That's about 3 months later?
Yes.
Did you have insurance?
No, not that I knew. Oh, I guess no, because the officer told me that there was no insurance on the car.
I have the police report from the day that he got pulled over.
May I see it, please? So they stopped you for not having the seatbelt on?
No, they stopped me because I was in park curfew to pass...
Hold on. So not only didn't you have insurance, but you didn't have a valid driver's license.
It's not suspended. It is,
Revoked?
No,
What?
yes, expired.
A revoked driving status is what it says here. By the
Yes, but
officer.
it's not true.
It's not true. It's a lie. The DVS results showed Austin has a suspended driver's license and eligible for a license. But you advised the police immediately when you stopped that you didn't have insurance on the car.
I said I wasn't too sure, and I pulled
No,
it.
you said you didn't have insurance, and you managed to get insurance on the car at the scene through Progressive on a telephone call. You called somebody to come and pick you up because you didn't have a valid driver's license, and the officer wasn't going to let you leave in the car driving. Why would you come here and make a fool of yourself? For what reason?
Trying to fight for what's right.
But you can't come to a court with dirty hands and say, now I want you to help me get my car back, or the value of it, or there's a $500. She said you were supposed to give her $500 for the car, and you never did. That's what her counterclaim is.
no
Where is the car
agreement.
now? Where is the car now?
It is at my house.
Okay, she's going to come and pick it up.
I did try to get the title signed. She gave me 24 hours when the cops did come to my house the first time.
She's getting clever. You did nothing for this car. Nothing. The only thing that you did was drive around in it without a driver's license and no insurance. And you hadn't had the car transferred to your name if you in fact thought that you had a valid transfer for 3 months.
How am I supposed to get a title transfer?
How are you supposed to drive without a license?
I don't have to drive the car to have.
You were driving the car.
I understand
You were
that.
driving the car.
But therefore, like you asked me if I got the title transferred. I couldn't get the title transferred.
Why would you need to transfer a title when you can't drive it?
I could have used it for other people could have used it. They could have insured it.
You're an idiot. You have 5 days. You have 5 days to get the car. Get a marshal and get the car. We're done. Thank you very much.
Oh my God, buddy, you can't come to court when you're already not doing the right thing and expect anyone to give you leniency or sympathy. I don't understand how you can have a laundry list, just a checklist of responsibilities, especially when it comes to driving a car. It's privilege. You have to earn the privilege. And part of that is you have to be insured. There is no claim. And he also has no defense. I know he wasn't the defendant, but he has no defense. But what did you think about this case? Have you been in a situation like this before? Let me know in the comments all about it. I'd love to hear it. Thanks for watching.